Dogpound. This figure's got a lot of mass to him. When I see this artwork and what he looks like, one dog breed comes to mind, and that's the Japanese Akita. That's what it looks like. Looks like that breed of Japanese dog with the brown and tan. This mutant was once a man named Chris Bradford that worked for the Foot Clan. He looked like Chuck Norris, who in turn looks like my dad. He's an awesome looking figure. He's got, I don't know why he has these like exoskeletons coming out. If anybody can tell me, let me know, because I don't think they tell you on the series. His head turns a little bit. Good movement in arms and everything. You have to put the tail in. He still has ninja pants on. But the coolest thing is, look how cute his feet are compared to everything else. But I guess there's not much you can do with the feet, and that keeps him real grounded since he's like a huge figure. And that's it. So later for now.